This is Las Vegas Real Estate Now, where we bring you the 3 E's: educate, empower, and engage. I'm your host, Harvey Blankfeld, and we've been selling homes here in Southern Nevada since 1988. We also have Kari Phillips from RateWise Mortgage. We had some exciting news a few weeks ago about loan limits changing. FHA changed their loan limit from $287.5 to $294 and change.
$515. Don't forget that little change.
Don't forget the $15.
Well, it was a big deal because I don't remember the exact date, but the loan limit for FHA used to be $400,000.
Back in the day,
then
yeah,
it went down to $287,500, which was a huge blow. The reason that's a huge blow is because some clients can only qualify for FHA. So it limited them in the amount of house that they could buy.
Right.
Going from a $400,000 taste bud to a $287,500 taste bud is a little bit different.
Right.
They're feeling better about lending overall, so they're increasing that loan limit, which is going to help people get a little bit more house. And you know more than me, how much does $7,000 or $10,000 more in a house buy? Depends on the area. I mean, you can speak on that, but it's a bit more house. For FHA, you have to put 3.5% down on a house. So what is, if I had my calculator, $294,515
$10,000
is 96.5% of what sales price? It's about $220 or what, $218, whatever, or excuse me, $318 or
probably
whatever.
$310, yeah.
But the other exciting thing is that the conventional and VA loan limit has gone up from, it used to be $417, and just a year or a year and a half later, it goes up to $454,100 now is the new loan limit for VA and conventional.
Right.
And so that tells me, that speedy increase tells me that lenders are feeling, investors and lenders are feeling more confident in giving money, and they're raising that limit and giving out more money to consumers. It's a positive thing overall. If you're on the cusp of wanting to buy a $500,000 house, you can put less down and still be in non-jumbo range, which is going to save you in the interest rate and all those, and save you in the harsh, I don't mean to say harsh, I guess more strict guidelines for jumbo. It might help you qualify for a loan. I want to talk on VA. VA, the loan limit is the $454,100, and where you can put 0% down as a VA buyer. VA works a little bit differently. If you go above that amount, you can't put 0% down. You're going to put a little bit down, but it's 25% of the difference. Right. So you can't put 0 down when you go above $454,100, but you take 25% of that difference between sales price and that loan limit, and that's how much you're bringing down, and you're still going to have no PMI, which is great.
A lot of vets think this is some kind of a charity thing. It's not. The vets have earned
You deserve
the right.
it,
They've
man.
earned the right to take care of it, and this is a benefit. And by the way, the government's not giving you this money. It's an investor. It's a regular lender giving you the money, or loaning you the money. I shouldn't say giving. They're loaning you the money. And the one reasons that they're so happy to do it for VA is because VA loans always get paid off. There's very little in terms of them going to foreclosure. They're the most competent loans. They're the strongest loans. Vets do a good job. They pay their loans off.
You've been listening to Las Vegas Real Estate Now with host Harvey Blankfeld. Please tune in every Saturday at 11 a.m. right here on News Talk 720 KDWN.